Hey students, in this lecture of our marketing management, we will discuss something about product management. Within product management, we will discuss about attractiveness of market offering triangle. So this triangle shows that what are the factors that decide the attractiveness of the market offering. What is a market offering? A product that a marketer offers to sell to the potential customers. So a product being sold or available in the market is a market offering. We know that a product includes goods as well as services. So any product available in market or being uh, available in market for sale is market offering. So what decides that how attractive a product is for customers, or how attractive a market offering is for customers? So this triangle shows that there are three factors that decide the attractiveness of market offering. First is value based prices, second is services mix, and third is product features and quality. So first and the most important thing is the price of the product. We don't say that the price should be low, but we say that the price should be value based. Means the customers should perceive that whatever price is there, it is actually providing value to the customers. So if the price of a product is say 100 rupees, the customers must perceive that the product gives value equal to 100 rupees. Just a small example, if I want to go from my home to a place 10 kilometer away, then I use a shared auto rickshaw, and the auto rickshaw charges 100 rupees, that is one price. Another cab charges again 100 rupees, but that is not a shared cab, and that cab also has AC and other facilities. Then what is for the same 100 rupees, what would have more value to me? That cab, because that provides more features, more benefits. So for me, it may seem that 100 rupees for a shared auto rickshaw is high, but 100 rupees for an AC cab may seem not very high, and that may seem that it is value based price for me. Second is services mix. This includes all the services that a marketer provides to the customers, starting from product demonstration, product installation, delivery, after sales services, and any other services that customer expects or wants. Maybe uh, delayed payment, payment in installments. So all those services are also important for customers. And if a marketer provides better services, more services, then the product would be more attractive for a customer. Again, a small example. Uh, I want to purchase a pair of shoes, maybe a pair of shoes, and I have decided what I want to purchase. Now there is one shop that says, okay, you come to our shop and buy, and there is an and the price is maybe 2000 rupees. There is another shop that says the price is 2000, but we would deliver at your doorstep. So this second shopkeeper, second business is providing more services, then I might be more interested in purchasing from the second shopkeeper. So providing more services. Maybe even we can take more examples. I buy a TV. One shop says that okay, the price is this, price is 20,000, and you can come, you can take it home. And another shopkeeper says price is 20,000, we would deliver at home, we would install, we would provide demo as well. So the second shopkeeper is providing more services, I would be more interested. That makes that product more attractive for me. So that increases the attractiveness of market offering. And the third and the last factor or aspect of attractiveness is product features and quality. Simply, if a product has more features, if a product has better quality, that product would be more attractive for customers. We usually buy products which have more features or which we perceive have better quality, so that makes a product more attractive for us. So that is all for this lecture. Thank you.